give you my heart.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Cutie with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I paint my nails. Since I was about to paint my nails anyway, might as well show you guys. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now and join the Cutie fam. And hit that little notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. And let's get started. Now the items that you're going to need to take off your nail polish is acetone remover and cotton balls. Now you can dip your cotton balls in acetone remover and you're going to remove the nail polish off your nails. For me, I already had a little bit of nail polish, so I only used one cotton ball, but whatever how much nail polish you have, you're just going to remove that off. And once your fingers are clean, you're going to take your hands and go to the sink and wash them off so the acetone doesn't mess up your nail polish when you're painting your nails later on. Now you can put the base coat on. You're going to take this Mega Strength Growth nail polish and put it all on your nails before you do the other nail polish. So it helps grow your nails, but also helps when the nail polish you don't want, instead of having to wipe the using acetone, you can just peel it off. Comment down below and tell me which part of what you like to do when you're doing your nails. For me, I definitely like to paint my nails and do the design, then wipe all the nail polish off. But for you guys, let me know down in the comment section below.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Okay cuties, now you're going to take the nail polish and go all over your nails one time, so it can be one coat, so it doesn't have to be, so you don't have to wait like several hours for it to dry. You're just going to just use one coat. Plus this is only for your nails to grow also, so you're just going to need one coat of this. And while you're doing that, we're going to have to wait a while. It's not actually going to take that much long. It's going to take about 5 minutes, so this is a great time for you to relax. Now we're gonna let these bad boys shine, but it's gonna take forever, so let's get to the next vid. Bing. Okay, now you're gonna take your nail polish. I'm using LA color 544, and it's a gold glitter. It's gonna be for on top of the nails where I'm painting my solid color. So that's what I'm gonna use for my top coat on top of my solid color, and I'm using Kiss Gel Strong nail polish. And now I'm gonna paint my nails. I accidentally put 2 coats on it while the other coat was still drying, so don't do the mistake I did and just put 2 coats on it at the same time. Just let the other coat dry up and then put the other coat, because I had to wait 2 hours just for the one coat to dry. Now, okay cuties, now you're gonna paint your nails one coat instead of 2 coats, and this is gonna get difficult for me since I don't have someone else to help me, because I'm right-handed and I'm about to use my left hand to paint my right hand, which is gonna be really difficult. So it's okay if you mess up on certain parts where the nail polish is on your skin, because we have a life hack for that in upcoming. We're gonna have a life hack for that in the next part of this vid, so stay tuned. Okay, cuties, we're gonna speed this up a bit so you can see the final result for this part.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Here's the moment we've all been waiting for, cuties. My left hand is painting my right hand. Oh, I hope this turned out right. Okay. It's not looking that bad. It's all actually looking good. It's not so bad as I thought it was.
Knockout. You win.
As I mentioned before, cuties, don't have to worry about getting the paint on your skin because we have a little life hack for that. So stay tuned for that.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Okay, cuties, now we're gonna let these bad boys dry, and we're gonna let them dry at least to 20 minutes. For you guys, it might take 5 to 10 minutes if you paint on one coat. For me, I accidentally painted 2 coats, so I'm going to wait about 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys in the next part. Okay, cuties, we're back. Now we're going to paint our nails with the 544 LA color. It's the glittery one. And now I'm going to do 2 coats of these, but you can do how many coats you guys want, whatever your preference. Okay, cuties, now you're going to paint your nails with the glitter nail polish. And once you finish painting both your hands, you're gonna let that dry. Now here I am painting the second coat. If you're not gonna do a second coat, just skip to the next part. Comment down below and tell me which design nails do you guys like. For me, I definitely like glitter nails, but also when I put like rhinestones or crystals on my nails, those are my favorite. But for you guys, let me know down in the comment section below.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Now here I'm painting my right hand using my left hand, which is easier now since I did it before. So it's not hard to try something new since I'm right-handed, so I'm trying something new with my left hand by painting. Now here are what they look like after I finish painting them. Now here's a close-up of them. Don't they look nice? I should definitely do these in pink. Or maybe green. I don't know. Leave a comment down below of what color I should do next. Okay, cuties, here's the hack we've all been waiting for. You're gonna take a Q-tip and you're gonna take some nail polish remover and you're gonna dip the Q-tip in the nail polish remover and you're gonna rub the nail polish that's on your skin all off. See? Quick and easy little hack. Now you're gonna rub all the nail polish away.
Knockout. You win.
If you have nail polish that is stuck in between your skin and the nail, and you want to get that off, you can just always take the cotton off the Q-tip, dip the part where we took the cotton off, and you can dip that in acetone and scrape that off. And that's a quick little hack for you guys.
Fight.
I'm so loving how my nails turned out, cuties. They looking like the bomb.com. Don't forget to leave a comment down below of which part of the video you like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And don't forget to leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, cuties!
I gave you my heart.